Good day, ma'am. My name is Jimel Arsombilia, BSIT TOPI. I would like to discuss video presentation about arithmetic sequence. Arithmetic sequence is a sequence of numbers where the difference between consecutive terms is always the same constant. Difference is called the common difference. Is the example 1, 1, 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. The common difference is 2. Why 2? You can add 2 by its number. 1 plus 2 equals 3. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Then 5 plus 2 equals 7. Then 7 plus 2 equals 9. So, another example, another problem. Carlo is doing a workout program on the first day. He does 15 push-ups each day. He increases his push-up by 5 more than the previous days. Question: how many push-up will do on the 20th day? This is the given. E sub 1 is 15. Why 15? 15 is the push-up each day. And 5 is the common difference. And E sub n is 20 is the 20th day. Okay, the formula is E sub n equals E sub 1 plus n negative 1, then times the common difference. E sub 20 into negative 1, then 5. E sub 20 equals 15 plus 20 negative 1. 20 minus 1 equals 19. Then the common difference, the 5, bring down. Then E sub 20 equals 15 plus 19 times 5 is 95. 95. Bring down E sub 20, 15. Okay, 15 plus 95 is 110. Here is the formula. E sub n equals E sub 1 plus n negative 1 and the common difference. Okay, the solution is E sub 20. E sub 20. Why E sub 20? 20 is the 28th day. Then 15. Why 15? 15 is the 15 push-ups. And then the 20 is the same with the 28th day. Then 1 is from the formula 1, copy 1. Then the 5 is the common difference. So E sub 20, bring down E sub 20 equals 15 plus 20 minus 1 equals 19. And copy the common difference 5. Then E sub 20 equals 15 plus 19 times 5 equals 95. And E sub 20 equals 110. Why 110? 15 plus 95 equals 110. So the answer is 110 push-up in the 20th D. Thank you.